become frustrated that you have to vacuum and vacuum to get some of the pet hair removed from your carpets or auto upholstery? Using a raking or sweeping motion, your pet hair remover easily removes pet hair from the fibers of just about any upholstery in seconds. This is simply the best tool for removing pet hair ever. This is a Ford Expedition with our pet hair removal stone. You will see that a rather large, light-haired dog resides in the back seat. Using sweeping motions and a vacuum, we will quickly remove the pet hair from the fibers of the carpet. When using the pet hair removal stone, remember to keep it away or safely away from all plastics and vinyl, as it will scratch those materials.